Caral, and this is my friend LauraQueraltNatàlia. We are the pupils in grade 5 San Josep School. How do you think is responsible for the situation in which our planet today?
Separately, the paper and the plastic.
Hello, my name is Laura. We are the pupils in grade 5 San Josep School. We would like to make you an interview about how humans treat the world. This is because we are doing an European. Do you believe that if people limit their daily overconsumption of natural resources of Earth will protect the planet?
Well, I think the people must cut down the resources because we are need to live in this planet more healthy.
Thank you very much for your answers. You are very keen. Caral, Laura, Natalia.
Hello, I'm Natalia. What measures do you think should be taken to protect the environment?
No going shopping.
Which do you believe is the future of our planet?
The planet will be finished.
Thank you very much for your answer. You are very keen. Caral, Laura, Natalia. Navas San Josep TV. Hello, my name is Laura. We are the pupils in grade 5 San Josep School. We would like to make you an interview about how humans treat the world. This is because we are doing an European. What do you consider as the best threat to the environment?
Maybe the pollution of the cars, of the industries. Well, this is the greatest for me.
How do you think is responsible for the situation in which our planet is today?
Well, everybody a little. People who run the industries, but all of us too, because we should go with public transport to the places, and we use our cars, and the cars makes a lot of pollution.
Thank you very much for your answers. You are key. Caral, Laura, and Natalia. Navas, San Josep. Do you believe that these people limit their of the Earth will protect the planet?
Yes, I think we all should have to reduce our overconsumption of natural resources, and maybe we could make a better world all together.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your answer. Caral, Laura, Natalia. Navas, San Josep TV.
Thank you.
What measures do you think should be taken to protect the environment?
Hello, good morning. My name is Kunsa. The first question, I think, it's don't spend a lot of money, and the planet is very good because don't contamination.
Which do you believe is the future of our planet?
Don't spend a lot of money also, and no contamination. It's good. Thanks.
Thank you very much for your answer.
You are very good. Laura and